All right, today we have a solar panel, and this is a Type C solar panel. So it could be used for any device with a Type C that you have a remote camera and you don't have power. This is a perfect thing. Mostly all the Arlos, but besides Arlos, you could do a lot more. I actually use it with generic cameras all the time, and today we have one here that I'm going to bring in here, and it's a Type C camera. We're going to set this up so it could get the sun rays through the day and charge up. And this was made especially for that too. So it has an entry in the bottom that you could just put into Type C. Now, if you can, if you have the old Arlos, this is the extension that you have for it, or if you have that, right? It's a Type C to that system. So today we're just gonna mount it against the wall and set it up and see how well it works. All right, here's the camera, guys. I put the solar panel on it. All right, very impressed with the solar panel. It's working very well. It charged a generic camera, also could do Arlo, but I like the solar panel. Very simple to install, if you guys can see. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.